Did ancient astronomers know about nebulae? Have you ever wondered what ancient astronomers thought when they gazed up at the night sky? Did they notice the fuzzy patches that we now call nebulae? The answer is yes, but their understanding was quite different from what we know today. Around 150 years after Christ, the Greek astronomer Ptolemy documented several stars that looked fuzzy in his famous work, the Almagest. He even pointed out a region of nebulosity between the constellations Ursa Major and Leo that did not match any known star. This shows that ancient astronomers were indeed observing objects that appeared nebulous. Before Ptolemy, Hipparchus, another Greek astronomer from the 2nd century before Christ, also included some nebulous objects in his star catalogue. He mentioned the Praesepe star cluster and the double star cluster in Perseus. However, these were not true nebulae as we define them today. They were unresolved star clusters made up of many stars rather than gaseous clouds. The first true nebula, which is a gaseous cloud rather than a cluster of stars, was identified much later. In the year 964, the Persian astronomer al-Rahman al-Sufi described a little cloud in the area of the Andromeda galaxy. This indicates an early recognition of such diffuse objects in the sky. The Crab Nebula, which is a remnant of a supernova, was also noted by Arabic and Chinese astronomers in the year 1054. They observed this event and recorded it, marking another step in the understanding of celestial phenomena. However, the true nature of nebulae as gaseous clouds was not fully recognized until the invention of the telescope. In the year 1610, Nicolas Claude Fabry de Paris used a telescope to discover the Orion Nebula. He was the first to identify it as a nebula in the modern sense. Later, in the mid-17th century, Christian Huygens conducted detailed studies of the Orion Nebula, further expanding our knowledge. This historical journey highlights how scientific observation has evolved over centuries. It reflects the importance of investing in technology and research to better understand our universe. The collaboration across different cultures has played a significant role in advancing our knowledge. Recognizing this long timeline of discovery can help inform decisions about funding and supporting science education and research. So, while ancient astronomers did notice nebulous objects, their understanding was limited compared to what we know today. Their observations laid the groundwork for future discoveries, showing how curiosity about the cosmos can lead to greater knowledge over time.